Hello viewers, in today's video, I'm going to guide you how to get multi-view on YouTube TV. So watch the video till the end and don't miss any important point. So, YouTube TV's multi-view feature lets you watch up for live streams at once on a single screen. It is perfect for sport enthusiasts and new watchers. So let's see how you can use it. First, if you're using smart TVs and streaming devices, then open the YouTube TV application. Start watching a live game or event. Then press the down button on your remote to access the multi-view options. Then select the stream you want to watch simultaneously. If you're using a mobile device, then open the YouTube application and play a live event. Then tap the multi-view icon on the player and here choose from the available streams to watch multiple events at once. Note: make sure your YouTube TV application is updated to the latest version, as multi-view is currently limited to live sports and certain special events. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.